I'm going to just give this a 5. No, wait. Right. So I can't really show it. Let me just go on OSM now. Massive game against Tays. He's top of the league, so. Just playing rock, paper, scissors, dead quick. Tell me, guys, what you got. I got scissors. Aha! It is here. I don't think I'll win, but maybe a draw if pushing. I'm pushing the draw. Right? Die ball. Come on. Lucky. Come on, that's better. Shit. Yep, 1-0 Taylor. No way. That's really annoying. Muto. By the way, I have signed Van Dijk last night, so not the best match to start against, but you know, we'll just carry on. Lazaro. Die ball with a bicycle kick. Come on. We're hanging on nice and tight. Only 1-0 at half time. Oh shit. Come on. No way. There's actually no way. Dybala and Jesus have both been injured. And now it's 2-0. That is absolutely unbelievable. This game could have been so much different if those two were still on the pitch. 9 goal, please. Come on. Oh no, De Bruyne could make it 3 here. No, I'm good. It's okay. Still 2-0. Sane just missed. Richie, come on. Yes! Richie! Right, come on now. 20 minutes. I'm running the clock. Yes! Come on! No! No way! VAR, I actually hate you. Oh my! Oh, Richie, come on, please. Richie, you are the man. Oh, I'm actually done. If he scores here, I'm actually done. Oh, There's no way it's about to be 4-1. Swear to God. That is the most annoying thing ever. We would have drew, I'm saying, as well. I hate the VAR. I actually hate you. What on earth? It's actually so annoying. It's triggered me so much. We should have took a point. We should have had a point from that. But VAR took it away. We've lost 2 of our best players. Because of VAR. We actually have. Clark, you had an absolutely amazing game. That is very annoying. Right, how long? Are you joking me? Right. So this time we're going to put Jesus in the middle. We'll start at 2. Oh my God, that's really triggered me. I can't believe it. We literally could have won that as well. Oh my God. Is there any strikers for 14 mil? I mean, there's Morata. Not wasting 14 and the token on him though. See the other people's results. I'm about to go and have a rage on that Xbox party. Jake lost to Everton. I didn't. I drew. Dicko beat Chelsea, which is pretty easy. Cartwright lost to Sheffield, which is horribly bad. Ambi beat Will. Connor battered Bournemouth. And Leicester beat Southampton and Ethan smashed Burnley. Right, we have West Ham. Better be humiliate. Oh yeah, it's literally not mentioning the VAR. Nah, I would be happy with a victory. I shouldn't have had a victory. I should have had a bloody draw. So annoying. Hashtag ban VAR on OSM. It's so annoying. See you guys in the next video.